Foxcast Media in the house. Make sure, before you do anything else, pause the video, click the link below for the Patreon page. Make sure you are supporting the channel, because I promise you, you will not believe what we will be doing on the channel involving your car and giveaways and all this other stuff. So make sure you click that link below, support us on Patreon, and you'll love it. Trust me. So, we are actually back out at the shop, and if you caught the last video, I kind of alluded to the fact that we may be adding a little bit of color to the engine bay. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the engine bay, after many moons of sanding and priming and sanding and puttying and primering and all of that, it is coming along famously. So let's see. Good heavens, look at this. Wow. She has come a long way. That's how many hours right there?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Wow. Lines are tight. That is amazing. So yes, a lot of work. So yeah, you actually get to see, right now we are going to lay some color down. Let's see this color. Is that it?
Yeah, I gotta open it.
I'm going to open this can up, see what's up.
Make sure it's red.
See if they got it matched right. Looks red. Yes, sir. So, the engine bay is super slick. Hold on, let me turn the radio down a little bit so you can hear me. The engine bay is super slick. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and lay a coat down and just see kind of where we're at. I think it's going to look really good. I mean, the lines and everything are fantastic. So, without knowing 100% how it's going to look until we lay some red down, we're going to lay the red down, see how it looks, and, you know, if we got to sand it, we got to sand it. It's no big deal. But everything is stripped down, as you can see. There's the little buck tag right there. LXE2. So yeah, long time coming. Jeremy's got put a whole lot of effort into this. It sucks that I can't be out here as much as I want to, but Jeremy's just been like going to town with it. So it's come a long way. If you're planning to undertake this monumental of a task, definitely recommend taking your time and just learning as you go, figuring things out. Do a lot of reading and watching YouTube videos on how this stuff works, because you don't want to spend all this time and all this money to do it, and then it ends up looking bad and you're not proud of it, because you want to be proud of your work. So again, take your time and do it right. know you're not going to be able to hear me, but we got the first coat down. It's just a light coat. There you go. Like I said, this is coat number 1. There's ever more to come, but sorry for the exhaust fan. It is like ridiculously hard to hear or breathe in here because of all the paint. So right now we're just letting it do its thing, and we'll see. Again for all the noise, but you can see coat number 2 is down. That is slick. Yes, obviously there's going to be a lot of wet sanding and polishing and touching up and all that. So, but just looking at it now, yeah, shit's so freaking legit, y'all. I'm telling you. I've questioned this a lot of times as to whether or not I should do this or not, but there you go. There's my answer.
Got chainsaw on the truck.
So, Jeremy, I have to ask, why are you cutting this tree down?
You shall see.
Yeah, I can't actually say yet why Jeremy is cutting this tree down because he won't let me, but there you go.
I love my trees.
Cutting a tree down. Wonder why. All right, guys, so let's go check out and see if coat number 2 is looking good. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. It's got a little trash in it. Don't worry about that. She's going to get more coats, more wet sanding, buffing, all that. But the bay is seriously coming together, and I'm totally blown away of how this looks. It's freaking amazing. If you're wondering about the paint, you can go to any paint shop and just give them your color code. They can match it. You can go to like an O'Reilly. They can do the same thing. Just make sure you got your paint code and all that. And nothing to it. This is the little can we got of it right here. Let me turn it around. So just give them that. They match it and done. But again, the bay is sprayed. I'm super excited, and it's like 80 degrees out today, and I want to be out driving this thing. There's 2 types of car, guys. There's the ones that like to build them, and there's the ones that like to get out and drive them and enjoy them. I'm kind of a mixture of both. I like a little bit of both, but right now, all I want to do is kick the clutch, kill some tires. But it's getting there, so no worries. All right, so while we're letting the paint dry, I'm coming back out here, and as you can see, Dover is working on another tree with Alex. It's very curious what he's doing out here. I mean, I can't really like put my hands on it.
I got a chainsaw.
I do have a chainsaw.
I got a gas on it.
But I think what very curious. Very, very curious. Yes, Jeremy's cutting trees down. And no, like I said, can't tell you yet. So, we do actually have a little more painting to do, but unfortunately, we're not going to do any more spraying today. We're going to kind of let that set up. It's still really tacky. But you can see back here, we got a few more spots we need to hit where it's kind of dry, but it laid down really smooth. So, Jeremy is wasted in auto mechanics. He needs to open a body shop instead. But no, guys, seriously, it came out freaking phenomenal. And we've been sitting here for the last 30 minutes just kind of looking at it. And I'm hatching ideas. I'm trying not to hatch ideas, but I'm hatching ideas. Anyway, I'm going to cut this one short. got to let this one dry overnight, and then we're going to get back on, start wet sanding, and well, actually, we've got to hit it again with another coat, then do some wet sanding, polishing. We're going to make it look like glass. But that is what's up, guys. Make sure you click that link right below you and sign up on the Patreon page. Big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and keep it tuned right here. Lots more coming. We are nearing the finish line of my build, and we've actually got kind of a line developing behind mine for more. So I'll have updates on that in the next upload. So trust me when I say there is a whole hell of a lot going on here, and you're not going to want to miss a bit of it. So in the meantime, subscribe up, Patreon page, thumbs up. Later.